creators, welcome to Davinci Resolve 20 over 40 in 30 day 13. I got a flight to catch in a couple of hours, so this one's going to be a quick one. Folks, let's dive in. It's going to save you a lot of time when it comes to editing, and it will just make the process way smoother. Let's jump in. I'm going to go here real quick so you can see what I see. Open up Davinci. Here we go. So let's just start out by bringing in a wee bit of media that will make our job just a little sample, something that we can see real quick. Let me go here, pick my user, and then downloads, and let's see what we got. Where's my test folder? Here we go. Let's just bring this down to the media pool. Now, this video itself is not irrelevant. This is more or less just to show you what to do. So let's hop over here to the edit page and drop this sucker onto the timeline. And I'm going to do Shift S to mute scrubbing. See, did that work? Yes, it did. Okay, cool. So what you don't want to have to do is, like, in this particular section here, right? Sorry, I'm doing this one hand, so you got to bear with me. In this particular section here, like, you're going to want to cut off this beginning, right? What you don't want to do is have to come here, then click on this to blade it, and then click back on that to get rid of it. Because those of us Final Cut users, we're used to something known as the range tool, where we can just like draw over this section and press chop. That's not going to work for us. So we're going to come up with a better solution, right? So the first thing you want to do is come up to the top and click on keyboard customizations. And the shortcut for that is Option Command K. So let's get into keyboard customizations real quick. And we're going to come up with a better tool for cutting. And we want to find some keys. Now, if you look at these keys right here, these don't have if they're gray, all the way dark gray, there's no commands connected. And right now, the only ones that don't have anything is like the normal C, the H, and the 0. But those are too far away, right? I don't want to use the F keys. So we're going to come up with a different plan. If I click on Control, I see that there's no control stuff here other than Control U, which I added the other day. So I can pick any keys I want in order to make this happen. So in my particular case, I'm going to use one extra step, which is going to make this easier. So we're not going to sweat anything. Let's just say we're going to use Control+X for our razor. Okay, so let's come out. And so you can see in this search area, I'm going to type razor. You can use any keys you want. Now, already that's set to to Command B. All I'm going to do is add a plus key and make it Control+X, right? So we're going to add that. Okay, now we're going to get rid of this command and we're going to go ripple. And then under the ripple, under the trim section down here, if we go to ripple, there is end to playhead, start to playhead. So I want to do start the playhead first, and we are going to make this one Control+Z. So we're going to hit Control+Z. And then in this one, which is into playhead, we're going to make this one Control+C. Okay, so we just added those custom commands, and now we're going to save it. So if we close this, if I come over to this piece where I want to put a cut line, I would just press Control+X to make a slice. And as you can see, we now have a slice in our timeline. Let's embiggen this a little bit. Move over so you can kind of see. If I come here, I'll do one more. I can do a Control+X into the cut line. And then let's just say I want to close it to where this playhead is right here. All I have to do with the playhead there, nothing selected, is hit Control+Z, and that closes that gap, right? If I wanted to close the gap here and I were to make the Control+X cut and roll this backwards, I would press Control+C and close it up. So now we're closing all these bad boys up without any drama, right? So let me undo that. I'm going to show you how we're going to make this one section easier for those of us who have a Stream Deck. So at this point in time, I'm going to go Stream Deck options, right? I highly suggest a Stream Deck if you're going to do this. So we're going to do edit Stream Deck. Now I'm traveling, so I don't have my physical Stream Deck. I'm going to edit these keys on the virtual Stream Deck. So let's go and do key press. So that's under system. Ooh, can't type. We're going to system, and we want to do hotkey. So let's drop one in right here in the middle. So this is going to be razor, right? And the key we want to put in there is Control+X. And then over here, we want to add a hotkey. And this one is going to be, my brain just went dumb. If you forget, no problem. Click on Davinci real quick. Go into keyboard customizations, hit the Control and Z, and that's start to Playhead. Okay, that's the word I was looking for. And we're going to go start to Playhead. Sorry, I'm one-hand typing, which is already worse than my regular typing. And that one was Control+Z. We're going to right-click copy, right-click paste, and then do end to Playhead. And this hotkey is going to be Control+C. Right? So we have those. Now I can prettify these icons later to make them a little bit more, pleasant looking. But for right now, this is all I need to do. And for me, I'm using a virtual Stream Deck, so I have its hotkey set to bring up the virtual Stream Deck. Virtual Stream Deck is a cool new update from Elgato, and I have a whole video about it. But the main thing it does is allows you to use a Stream Deck when you don't have one plugged in. So let's close this guy now, and I'll hit my virtual Stream Deck, and here are my keys right here, so I can see what I'm doing. So if I'm jogging along in this here video, let's play a little bit. You hear a lot of things that you need. Hey, you're supposed to be muted. Let's close this guy. It's just in the way. This is one of the things that I really like about Davinci is you can kind of close things that you don't need. Let's go here, go here. My brain just went dumb. I know there's an easy way to close that, but let's do a single pane viewer. That might help. My windows are kind of a mess right now, and here's one where I need to get rid of it. Right, so I can put this guy here, press a button. Right, I can put this guy here, back it. Ooh, wrong direction. Woo, back it up. Right, I can scrub along a little bit more. See one right here. Hit the blade. Come over here, back it up. Dang it, I keep pressing the wrong button, but you know what I mean. I might have to flip my keys for the way my brain works. I might have to flip my Stream Deck keys, which is actually easy to do. Let me go ahead and do it now because I'm going to keep causing this trouble. Let me open back up the Stream Deck, dude. Right? And you're going to have to adjust this the way you want, but all I would do is sort of cheat and flip my buttons. Bingo. Now we are back in action. So if I come here and I hit the little chopping block, slide over, bingo. Did I save my flip? Oh, I just did exactly the opposite after I already fixed it. He is so silly. All right, so let's cut this right here. Slide it over, bingo. So there you go. So you can see with something as simple as using a Stream Deck or just making custom keys, you can make your chopping situation a heck of a lot easier in Davinci Resolve. So go into the custom keyboard setting and set some keys that work for you. I'll be figuring out more keyboard shortcuts for myself, and this will be a lot easier if you carried around like the small Stream Deck, set, or the Stream Deck Nano, which I'll put links in. But I have a big Stream Deck at home, but on the road, I just use the virtual Stream Deck. So it seems to work out. I'm going to have a heck of a lot more fun cutting, but now I got to pack. I got to leave here at 3 a.m. to head back out to Honolulu. You know what I say? I don't know who need to see this, but if it was you, let me know in the comment section below. Welcome to Davinci Resolve 20 over 40 in 30 day 13. I appreciate all you guys for watching. If you have any questions, comments, feedback, drop that down in the comment section as well. And right about now, the algorithm's got another video they think you should watch, and I agree with them. Chee-hoo!
I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George. I hop in the Porsche, 5 and a horse. I'm ready for war. I'm coming for throats to turn to a ghost. I need to know everything. Now you be surprised at the info you get is by letting them talk, so I'm letting them talk. Gotta keep quiet.